Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel Beauty in a Minute. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today I want to talk about Paula's latest products, the C5 Super Boost Eye Cream. So this is the sister product to C5 Super Boost Moisturizer. So these two are her latest products and which I have purchased and I have tried out. So I have already done a video on the moisturizer, which I like very much, which I highly recommend. And today I want to talk about the sister product, which is the eye cream with 5% vitamin C. So this is what this product looks like. Alice Palm as usual. So this is the eye cream. Very soft eye cream, very easily absorbed. All you have to do is just a small dot, and I just put it on both of my middle finger like this, and I just dot it all around my eyes. I try not to get this too near to my eyes because it can sting. Yeah. And I think it's the 5% vitamin C. I mean, vitamin C, it is considered an active ingredient. To those who have very sensitive skin, vitamin C can cause redness and cause peeling sometimes, depending on the intensity. The smell is very neutral. It smells like most of Paula's Choice products because Paula's Choice products are paraben-free, alcohol-free, perfume-free. So she doesn't add any perfume into her product. So whatever you smell here is the ingredients that she's put in to create the product. I really like this eye cream. This is a powerful eye cream. So the only thing is just be very careful not to put it too close to your eyes. The first few times I use this, I dab it a bit too close to my eyes and it stings a little bit. So just make sure you just dab it around the eyes and not too close to your eyelids. I do find a certain lightening of the skin around my eyes. That's the one benefit I see. It is also very hydrating. So it stops all that dryness because dry skin eventually leads to wrinkles and fine lines. So this product contains 5% stabilized vitamin C. So really the three forms of vitamin C in this product is the 2% ascorbyl glucoside, 2% ethyl ascorbic acid, and 1% ascorbyl palmitate. It contains zerumbol. Zerumbol is an extract from ginger. It's supposed to lighten the skin. It also contains hyaluronic acid. It contains peptide in the form of acetyl hexapeptide 8. It contains shea butter, Tocopheral, and a whole lot of other lipids. The three forms of stabilized vitamin C is both water and oil soluble. And the good thing about oil soluble vitamin C is that it can travel deep down into your skin because underneath our skin is made of lipids, fatty acids. So if it is oil soluble, it can travel down. So this product comes in 15 ml, which is this size that I'm holding here. And it is Australian $55 from the Paula's Choice website in Australia. So it works out to be around 62 New Zealand dollars. To me, it's pretty reasonable for a good eye cream under $100 with that 5% vitamin C, 5% of active ingredients. I find it's quite reasonable. With eye cream, you actually don't need a lot. You only need a small dots and you just dab it around your eyes. My personal advice with eye cream is do choose an eye cream that has either retinol, vitamin C, or niacinamide because you really want to fight and prevent any further wrinkles and fine lines being developed around your eyes. Yeah, I really like this eye cream. I do highly recommend it. Both products are fantastic. Yeah, you've done it again, Paula. Yeah, thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.